Hi, this is Mark Walton. I just want to show you one of our members' performance, and she is now ready to go onto a funded account and receive a substantial profit share. And for most retail traders, that is the way to make money. You don't need to be making massive gains every month because that usually will lead to massive drawdowns. What you do need to do is to be consistently profitable and focus on the drawdown. We focus heavily on risk reward, and that is key when it comes to trading. Now you can see she's got a nice steady equity curve for 2022. She has made gains of 31% this year. Crucially, she has managed to keep the drawdown below 5%. And this is where most rookie traders fail when they go onto an evaluation account. They take one of these test accounts and think, oh, this is going to be easy. Anybody can make a big gain at the top, but the majority of people, if they've not been trained properly, cannot control the drawdown. That's why we focus on this so much here at Forex Mentor Pro. To show you her stats in more detail, currently this month, we're on the 11th of September. She is up 3% for the month and 31% for the year. You can see she has only won just over 50% of her trades. That is not important. The important thing when it comes to trading is that you need your average wins to be double or more the average losses, which she's managing to do. And in that case, you can actually win less than 50% of the time and still be a successful trader. So focus on how much you win, not how many trades that you win. Her profit factors, standard deviations, Sharpe ratios are all looking good. Another thing, a crucial thing that investors are interested in, what is the risk of ruin? What are the chances that she is going to lose 10% or more of this account? And the chances of this lady is less than 0.01%. Investors will be interested in her trading for them all day long with these figures. Now down here you can see important things as well. She has controlled the drawdown. When she's had a bad month, she was on holiday in August, but when she's had what would be a bad month for most people, her losses are so tiny, those are incredible stats. This, as we've shown you earlier, is a positive gains. One thing, and just a clue for you, always make sure if you're ever looking at people who are claiming that they're making 100% a month or other nonsense for Forex EAs, make sure they are showing open orders. Often they will hide the open orders, and the reason is that if their account is down 20-30%, it will not show in the headline drawdown figure in MetaTrader. Okay, if you would like to learn how to trade it in a professional manner and trade for clients with a substantial profit share, then why not join us?